This video is brought to you by Skillshare. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing a super easy tip that you can use to draw illustrations and diagrams on your iPad. The two apps I use to draw diagrams include GoodNotes 5 and Procreate. I mainly use GoodNotes 5 when I'm drawing simple diagrams for my notes, and I use Procreate when I want to draw complicated and intricate illustrations. As you can see here, I have created my own illustrated flashcards using Procreate to help me learn anatomy. You don't have to be an amazing artist to draw diagrams like this, and I will show you guys how you can do the same. These flashcards are available to purchase on my Etsy store, so if you are interested, then I will leave the link below in the description box. So I'm going to be working on some notes about TIA on GoodNotes app, and I'm going to be drawing a brain to match the physiology of this condition. Although you can add in pictures directly from Google, I like to draw my own diagrams because I find that it makes my note-taking experience a lot more fun and helps me create the diagrams I want to my style. Okay, so the super simple tip to draw your own diagram is to find a picture that you like on Google and drag it straight into your GoodNotes. You can then use this picture as a template to essentially trace over the diagram and adjust your drawing to your liking. After you have outlined the diagram, you can then select the picture below and delete it. I then like to use the highlighting tool and colour in the diagram using different pastel colours. Although I like to use GoodNotes to draw simple diagrams, I do find it a little difficult when it comes to drawing complicated and intricate illustrations, and therefore I prefer Procreate over GoodNotes. On Procreate, I like to use the same technique where I import the picture that I want to recreate and change the opacity down to make it easier for me to see what I'm drawing. What I like about Procreate is that you can create smooth curves and straight lines just by holding the tip of the pen down on the screen. And when it comes to colouring, I love the fact that you can drag the colour into the section you want and it will colour it in automatically. This feature makes it a lot quicker and easier to get the diagrams done. After I save the diagrams, I then import them straight into GoodNotes and incorporate it into my notes. Before I finish, I would like to take a minute to talk about how you can learn more about drawing illustrations like a pro using Skillshare. Skillshare is an amazing platform where different creators come together to share and teach you different skills like illustration, graphic design, photography, video editing, and much more. The classes include a combination of video lessons and a class project. If you want to learn more about Procreate as a beginner, then you should definitely check out Jaram Vocal's online course about digital illustration, learn how to use Procreate, This course consists of 10 classes in total, and he goes through how to enhance your drawing through adding shadows and working with different colors, as well as adding different effects to your drawings. I have taken the course myself and I have really enjoyed it when I first started using Procreate. There are also a lot more videos on Skillshare going into detail about how you can create animation on Procreate too. Skillshare membership is usually less than $10 a month, but the first 1,000 people to use the link below will get Skillshare Premium membership for free for a limited time and get unlimited access to thousands of inspiring classes with hands-on projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what you would like me to film next.